Cramd is a website that allows you to create decks to start organizing study cards and materials, as well as have access to a smart repetition system. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel, where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to click create a deck, and what I'm going to do in this case is I'm actually just going to click, let's go with, let's just go with manual. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna call this let's say how to remember. I'm gonna say best ways to remember things, and I'm gonna say there are some, I'm gonna voice prompt this actually. There are a number of ways that have been psychologically proven to help humans remember things. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go on to Apple Intelligence, which I absolutely love. And I'm going to say expand on, actually, this is just a description. So I'm going to leave that here, and I'm going to say a deck describing best memory practices. Cool, I'll create that. Sweet, so I think it's okay, cool. So we can actually start adding cards however we want. If I want, I can actually add a flashcard. Oh, okay, so this is how it works. I sort of got it confused last time. Let's go with MECE, mutually exclusive, collectively exhaustive. Ultimately means no overlaps and no gaps when exploring the potential perspectives to solve a problem. Okay, cool. I still want to show you guys Apple Intelligence. I'm just going to say refine this, which I think is pretty cool. I'm glad I've got this built in. But ultimately, Cramd allows you to basically make decks which have these sort of cards. I'm just going to update that here. Cool. And I believe if we go on to, gonna bring this out, you have a monthly AI limit of, I guess, 5, which I imagine allows you to ultimately understand, or I guess gives you indicators on how you can, ways you can actually remember this. Yeah, so I think this this platform needs a bit more guidance given to the user, because I can't really, it looks like it's just a basic card sort of.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompt, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Yeah, it looks like a basic flashcard creator. I think that I want to see some more sort of more of a demo or walkthrough of how to actually use this platform. So yeah, I think for the most part it's alright. It looks like a basic flashcard platform, but what I would say is you definitely want to add a few more sort of hints to give users feedback, because I mean, for now it just seems fairly basic, if I'm being completely honest. But this may be exactly what you need. I haven't really dived into their space repetition concepts or techniques yet, but I imagine that's probably quite simple but also effective if that's what you're looking for. So yeah, check this out if you think it would be useful for you, but I think it definitely needs some development as well.